Miami and yachts just complement each other. So today, that's what we're doing. We are on a yacht for my cousin Jody's birthday bash. And y'all, check out the interior of decorating that we did. The theme was everything pink with a hint of white, and we did a pretty damn good job in such a rush. We made it quick, got the job done so we can have some fun. Now, y'all, let's get into all the appetizers, food, and sweet treats. Oh, let's not forget about all the drinky drinks. Okay? Now, one thing about your girl Lala is I love the water. I don't know if it's my earth sign or what, but it just brings me so much peace and refreshes me. Ooh, I love it here. Of course, I had to do a quick flick, and of course, baby sis jumped in. We look so good in our all white. Now, of course, I had to take you guys downstairs with me to the second level just to show you guys the yacht. So here is the main bedroom, and we also have a bathroom to the side. The bathroom was accessible for us, so check out the mini tour. And of course, if there's a mirror, I'm looking through it. Okay. Now, y'all, let me run it back again one more time for the treats, the birthday bags, just everything. Y'all, I was so happy knowing I was going to eat all this and drink all this. Well, eat all this. It was just lit. A lit summer night in Miami. It does not get any better than this, and this is the typical Miami life. Bad girl pan boat. What? Yo, with a turn up and turn out. But look at all this food, y'all. Then we even have the coconuts. We need to run another night like this again. Run it back, run it back, run it back. Just check out the view with me. Good food, good vibes, good times. In Miami, it don't get no better than this. Now time for one of my favorite parts, time to eat. So, of course, this was my appetizer plate, this was my entree plate, and this was my bottle for the night, okay? Of course, I'm gonna flick it up every single time. Me and little sis chopping it up as we have clocked out as mommies for the night. Now it's time to turn up. So we're up on the dance trend. So all night we broke out the dance move them. It's a bad girl love boat. We love the brawlings, the bossiness. Yo, tonight was definitely a lituation. And of course, it just kept getting better and better. It was just a complete vibe. Here's my girl Tamara with the body. Yaddy, 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 yaddy. The mommies have clocked out, turning up. All for my cousin Jody's birthday. Now, time to turn up. Y'all, we was turning up so much in the back, we completely forgot there's a whole entire front of the boat. So we moved the party from the back to the front. And when I tell y'all, girls and boats, bad bitches and boats, man, that combination, especially in Miami, listen. Y'all see my cousin looking fine as can be. She definitely turned up and had fun for her birthday, okay? Now watch us switch up from Sweet Lady Joe to Bad Gal Joe. Ray with the outside. Where the man there with money there?
Stop, Jody. Stop right fucking. She know when to stop. Oh, y'all.
Now these are the nights we will never forget. Letting loose and having fun. So, as the night started to end, we decided to go back to the back of the boat and cut the cake and get ready to dock. Here are some of the ladies for the night. No, you can't get names or Instagrams. All you get is pretty faces and vibes. Okay? Oh, okay. I swear I need my own private yacht because this view, these vibes are definitely undefeated. But let's sing happy birthday to my cousin. Now, my cousin wanted to do this trick where you light the candle in your mouth, but it didn't go as planned. Y'all, watch this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Jody, oh my God.
When I tell you my cousin was lit, full of vibes, yo, she definitely turned up for her birthday. So we made sure to run the candle trend back where she did do it correctly. Bad gal things with a pan, yeah? Happy birthday, Cuzzo, to more life, more money, more success, more wealth, more health, everything more, nothing less. Now, a time was had. We turned up, we had fun, and y'all, we gonna do it again for 2026 because you know, bad girl and boy, Tafiguan. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video and see you later.